give her some gas. Let's go. Ooh. Hello there everyone, welcome back. Today we are driving a 2005 Acura TL with the 6-speed manual. I want to say a huge thank you to #1 Auto of Chantilly, Virginia for providing me this car. All their information will be down below, so check them out. But let's get started on our drive. This is a very clean unit. It's got only 115,000 miles. Let's take a look at the back seat. As you can see, over the years, the car has kept up in excellent shape. No rips. Beautiful large seats. It's super comfy in the back, feels ultra luxurious. I love the seating position. We got the vents, the cup holders that slide out, soft touch materials everywhere, lots and lots of headroom. I'm 6'2", all the lights work. As you can see, the dashboard has no cracks, no rips. Let's check out the trunk and the engine. We got a large size trunk that can fit in a few suitcases, factory floor mats. Let's check out the engine bay. So here we have the 3.2 liter VTEC V6 engine. Look at the condition of this car. You got all your factory stickers. The car is in pristine condition. Let's look at the interior. So hopping into the cabin, we are greeted to very comfortable front seats, heated front seats. Usually the infotainment system on these cars has some kind of issue. My friend has an 05 and this whole unit glitches at times and you can't get it to work. I could be doing something wrong, but I don't think so. We have the glove box with the manual. We got the storage space, storage compartment, some more storage, a sunroof, auto dimming mirror, lights, home link. We also have the front driver memory seat, heated mirrors. But let's get started. Let's do a quick wiper test, release the brake, and let's get going. And we will do a quick horn test. Awesome. It's gonna take some time getting used to the clutch. It bites in really nicely. The The first thing that really impresses me about this TL is the front seat comfort. There is so much comfort in these front seats. The engine is silky, butter smooth. Car's also warmed up now. Let's head on out here. The engine sings a beautiful melody. Wow. Excellent power. Lots of torque. There's even a hint of torque steer as well. And just like that, we're in 6th gear. Good powerful brakes. Whew. This TL has so much power under the hood. It's really prone to torque steer. But for now, let's just head on down, enjoy the smooth ride. The ride is planted, a little bit firm. Feels very nice. And I love the gauges here. I like how crisp and clear they are. You don't have to guess where anything is. It's so intuitive. Your volume, your climate, your speedometer. Acura did such a fantastic job on this vehicle. They really did. But let's get RaceBox set up and see what the 0 to 60 on this Acura is. All right, well, let's come to a stop here. Again, keep in mind this is my first time driving this Acura, so I'm still getting familiar with the clutch, the feel and the shift points and the torque steer. But let's put her into 1st gear. Give her some gas. Let's go. And we did 7.87 seconds to 60. 8.15 to 100 kilometers an hour, and the 1/8 mile came in at 10.45. I could have launched better. The trap speed was actually 75.6, so it was almost 76 miles per hour on the trap speed, which is a really good trap speed. I'm sure I could have launched it better, harder, shifted a little bit faster, but again, I don't want to break anything here, so moves well. I think 7.8 seconds with some wheel spin is a good number, especially for driving it the first time. The handling here is pretty good, secure, although it does have some front-wheel drive traits, obviously. But yeah, great on the pickup. Excellent pickup. get good into the turn-in, fairly minimal body roll. And I love how the VTEC just starts to scream. It's so cool. All right, well, to wrap up this test drive, I have highly enjoyed this car. I wish they still made cars like this, with manuals, with all these cool physical buttons, easy to use, intuitive, no iPads. This is how cars should have been, and they should have kept making these cars. The seats are amazing, the soundproofing is good, high quality materials everywhere in the cabin. That's exactly how we like our cars. We don't want an iPad and buttons to go left or show the left blinker or right blinker. We don't want that. We don't want these swipies up, down. This is what we want, a real car. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. This sums up today's test drive. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And until next time.